All right, we're going to talk about diluting solutions. So when we dilute solutions, we start from a stock solution, which is more concentrated. We take some of that stock solution, we put that here, and then we fill it up with water. So this would be dilute, right? And so how do we solve these type of problems? So how do you dilute a 0.015 solution of copper 2 chloride to make 250 milliliters of 0.05 molar solution? So this is what's called our stock solution. So we're going to take a certain volume of this to create 250 milliliters at 0.005 molar. So the way we can think about it is we have we need 200. This is our goal, I guess. 250 milliliters, and we need 0.005 molar. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to figure out how many moles of solute is that going to be. So we could solve that doing this. 0.005 molar equals 0.250 liters, right? 250 milliliters will convert to 0.250 liters, and this will get you to moles. And at this point, you got 0.005 times 0.250. So the number of moles is going to equal 0.00125 moles. So 0.00125. So I need to get 0.00125 moles in order to get this concentration, right, in 250 milliliters. Well, where am I going to get those moles? Well, I'm going to get it from this solution, right? But we got to figure out how much of the solution or what volume of the solution we need. I'm going to break this up. So we know we need 0.00125 moles. We know that we're going to get it from this molarity. And so we want to figure out how many liters that's going to be, right, to get 0.00125. So to solve this, we're going to take 0.0125 and divide that by 0.015, and we get our volume is 0.083. Well, actually, this is only 1 sig fig, so 80 liters, which is also equal to 80 milliliters. So in order to make this, I'm going to take 80 milliliters of the 0.015 molar and dump it in here. And that's going to get me the number of moles. And then what I'll do is I'll bring up the rest of the, so let's start again. So what is that? How would that look? So how would I make this solution? So what I would do is, imagine this is an empty beaker. I would take 80 mils of the 0.015 molar solution, right? So by putting that amount, that's bringing the 0.00125 moles, right? So now I have the number of moles I want, but I still need it to be 250 milliliters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just plain water until it reaches 250 milliliters. Okay? All right, here's another problem. Okay, so how would you dilute 0.80 molar of copper 2 chloride to make 125 milliliter of 0.50 molar solution? So it's the same method here, right? So I know I have 0.50 molar, and I want it to be 0.125 liters. I want to figure out how many moles I need, right? So 0.5 times 125. The number of moles would have to be equal to 0.0625. I'm going to get those moles from this. So 0.80 molar. I need 0.0625 moles over a liter. Let's see what that's going to be. So we need to go to 2 sig figs. So the volume is going to be equal to let's see, 0.078 milliliters, liters, which is equal to 78 milliliters. So how would we dilute it? Well, we'd first add 78 milliliters of 78 milliliters of the 0.80 molar. We'll add that, and then we need to get to 125. So we'll add until we get to 125 milliliters. All right. Okay. Hopefully that helps you. All right, there's some practice there if you would like.